So what got me into photography was when my family would take vacations, which we did very often, I just wanted to capture the memory so I would never forget it. So I started doing that on my phone, but when I started doing it on my phone, I wanted to make it more artful and make it look really good. So I got super into photography, started looking up like rule of thirds and stuff like that.
You want now, I just want to see it.
When people see my work, I want them to see what I was thinking, what the picture looks like, the meaning of the picture, and I want them to say that it's awesome.
For me, when people look at my work, I don't want them to see something specifically. I want them to feel like this is like a nostalgic moment, something that maybe they've seen before, and that it's a welcoming, it's like a warm feeling. It's like a warm hug from an old friend. That's what I want them to feel like.